Okay na? Okay, check in.
Happy 10th anniversary.
10 years?
Thank you.
Ano
Kailan
mga-
exactly?
Um,
With your
kung
anniversary.
10 years next year, nung start from Ellen, probably. 2007. Yes.
Wow.
Napakarami mong napakakulay ng mga pinagdaanan mo doon sa 10 years siya.
Ay, makulay talaga.
Yes, sobra. Ano yung mga realizations mo doon? Ano yung mga lessons na hindi mo makakalimutan sa first 10 years?
I thought about giving up so many times. I guess yun yung pinaka-biggest lesson na lagi ko na-encounter sa life ko. Just never give up. That's true. That's really true. Just never give up. And just believe in yourself. Yun lang talaga yun. Kasi minsan, syempre, kahit na you have the people around you na sinasabi na they believe in you, kumbaga nasa sa'yo pa rin yun eh. Kasi minsan kahit na narinig mong naniniwala sila sa'yo, ikaw mismo yung nag-give up sa sarili mo. So yun yung pinaka-ano ko na if they believe in you, if you hear that they believe in you, you have to believe in yourself too. So, yeah.
Bagong tunog mo yung nasa bagong album, meron ka bang kaba every time na mag-introduce ka ng ganito sa audience mo?
Naku, wala na. Hindi naman sana, pero wala na eh. Kasi actually excited nga ako eh. Kasi not the reason na hindi ko iniisip na hindi nila magustuhan o magustuhan nila or anything. Excited ako kasi ginawa ko eh. Excited ako kasi gusto kong i-share yung pagod, yung hard work na ginawa namin lahat ng team ko para dito. Gusto kong i-share, parang ipagyabang ba na, uy, ako nag-mix nito, ako nag-master nito, ako nag-sulat nito. Hands-on ako, kami ang namili ng photos, ako mismo personally nagsulat ng acknowledgements, ako ang kumbaga, sobrang proud ako to present this product to everybody. Kaya, kumbaga wala akong kaya nga sinasabi ko na hindi naman sana wala talaga yung pakialam na makakarinig ka na ayoko, hindi ko type yan. You know, they're just comments. You know, they're just comments. Kumbaga, it makes you feel good na yung mga music lover talaga na hindi lang pinapakinggan yung music. They look at the product and see the names sa credits na, ay, aba, nag-gitara pala si Cherise dito sa kanta na to. Aba, yung extra, yung extra work na ginawa ko para sa album. Yun lang, yun yung pinaka-goal ko na i-share sa lahat.
Okay.
Aside from the music.
And nabanggit din kanina na magko-concentrate ka muna sa masang audience dito sa Pilipinas na medyo mahirap itap. Bakit mo na yun?
Kasi hindi naman mahirap like they don't like me or anything. But I guess kasi parang the past few years since I started from sa Ellen, ganyan. Kumbaga yung suporta nandoon. Pero parang napansin ko lang na halimbawa I do shows about out of town. They're like scared of me. I don't know why.
Intimidated? Ganun.
Parang unreachable. Alam mo yung So, parang ayaw ko nun. Like, as much as possible. Like, when I do this show in Compostela, when it rained, and they were all wet, I went out and nagpaulan din ako. Ganun yung gusto ko. Kung ano yung nila, ganun din ako, you know. I just want them to realize that. And I made this album for them and to connect with them, and excited ako. Minsan nga nag-i-imagine ako na sama ko yung iba kong friends na tumutugtog din, and then we go out of town and then we sing with the people. Yun yung main goal ko na lahat kami bago uulan, ganyan. Yun yung gusto ko. I mean, you guys you don't have to think na hindi naman ako masungit ako minsan, pero
Kasi parang feeling niya superstar ka na.
Oo.
Who's superstar?
Kasi international star.
Napapanood ka kasi
International. Di naman ako, pag naman international, hindi ibig sabihin
Hard to reach.
Oo. Meron iba. Pero,
Okay.
lang naman. I guess yun lang yun, kaya gusto ko mag-focus dito. Kasi sa sobrang andaming mas ginawa internationally, parang, I don't want them to feel left behind. Ayun.
May mga offers sa ibang bansa na nabanggit mo rin. Mas choosy ka ba ngayon sa pagtanggap?
So far naman, like for example, halimbawa mga shows sa Asia or sa States. So far wala pa naman na-encounter na yung sobrang salungat sa mga na gusto kong gawin, ganyan. very updated naman sila. Yun naman yung ano ko. And they respect nga na, minsan nagtatanong pa sila na, okay lang ba sa'yo, na ganito. And wala akong masasabi. Kaya so
Okay.
far, wala naman akong na-encounter pa na yung aanuhin mo dahil kumbaga pa hindi sila updated. And so far, lahat naman sila updated sa lahat.
Charisse, you mentioned earlier in your creative process kasi yung mga idol mo, mga Nirvana, mga drugista yung iba. Ikaw hindi mo naman kailangan ng ganun. And do you support Duterte's campaign anti-drugs?
Oh, yeah, 100%. I mean, come on. This is ridiculous. Everybody fights for it. And then when somebody gets killed just because of a drug addict, who are we gonna save, the drug addict or the victim? That's just a simple answer to it, you know? Yun lang. I watch the news. I'm just quiet, you know? But that's just that's the answer to it. You save. Choose who you save, the victim or the drug addict. That's all.
Charisse, just a follow-up. So, do you support name and shame of celebrities who are involved in drugs?
You know, I've seen that. Actually, I'm interested. Kung hindi ka naman takot, why not? You know? Ako nga, lagi akong nai-issue'ng nagda-drugs eh. Excited lang akong matawag na na magpa-drug test eh. Hindi natatawa ako siya. Alam mo, kaya yun na sa akin, kung hindi ka takot, just get out there. I mean, it's ridiculous. So, ayun, I support that 100%.
So, buti hindi ka pa yun nga, sabi mo, voluntary. Call na
Ang
magpa-drug
dami.
test ka,
Oo,
hindi.
Hindi pa ba?
I mean, wala namang nagtatawag sa akin, magpa-drug test ka. Pero ang dami lang issue like before. Di ba, nung one time, sobrang pumayto ako nagpa-drugs daw ako. Hindi nila alam, sinisipon lang ako. Ganun, sinisipon lang. Pero no. Yes.
Meron ka bang balak dalawin si Chang Ellen mo, si Chang Oprah? Celebration mo ng 10 years mo?
You know, kasi kung sa kanilang dalawa talaga, kumbaga mas reachable ko talaga si Oprah. Kasi nung naman nag-guest ako kay Ellen, kumbaga nag-guest lang talaga ako sa kanya. Yun nga yung story, di ba, na right after the show. Akala ko yun na. Di ba, tapos na, guesting, tapos na. But she was very nice to me. She was very generous. Siyempre, kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi ako makikita ni Oprah. Ganyan. But yung tumulong talaga, made it all happen. Hindi ko makikilala si David. Hindi dahil kay Oprah. Oprah made it happen. Talagang tinupad niya yung sinabi niyang don't give up, something big will happen. And then, but then, nung sinabi niya something big will happen, akala ko yun na yun. Yung mga lahat na nangyari sa akin na pinakanta niya ako with Celine, pinakanta niya ako with Andrea Bocelli. This is it. This is the something big will happen. But then when honestly, when I finished this album, yun yung sinasabi niya. Something big will happen. This is the biggest thing I've done in my whole life, you know? Sobrang enjoy akong ginawa. Na worth it lahat ng puyat. Minsan, di ko napapansin yung oras. Madaling araw na pala. Just because for the first time ever, I enjoy what I do.
Charisse, you said you poured your heart and soul in this album, but are you afraid of people who are planning to pirate it or kung ano man ang gusto nilang? I know it's gonna be released in Spotify, pero
Yung mga magpapayat.
may mga alam mo na nagbabalak, may masamang intensyon.
Alam mo, gusto ko mang sabihin na wag niyong gagawin. Stop it.
Pagalitan mo na.
Gusto ko mang sabihin ganun, wala tayong magagawa. May mga ganun talagang tao. Unless, syempre, no pressure, Mr. President. Pero 'di ba, unless magawa talaga ng action 'yun. Kasi syempre, kahit na sabihin natin yung ibang musician diyan, they don't care kasi they get a lot of money naman, so wala silang paki sa kung hindi sila makakuha ng maraming what they call royalties, ganyan, di ba? Especially ngayon, I have my own management so hands-on ako sa lahat, so nalalaman ko lahat. So syempre, mas worried ako ngayon, mas alam ko ngayon na if they pirate kung pa-pirate nila yung album ko, syempre sa akin yun na kumbaga apekto yun sa royalties kasi di ba most people would rather get free stuff than to pay stuff.
Yes.
So syempre isa yan sa issue, but I can't do anything about it.
Charisse, you mentioned independent ka na. Kaya
Yes po.
I'll take this opportunity
Sige,
na please
go
clarify
ahead.
naman yung sinasabi mo, nandun ka pa rin sa previous management mo.
The Clever
Yes,
Box,
Clever
yes.
Box.
I'm gonna say it again. We've terminated the contract with them. I mean, they're not even here. I mean, they're not even here. I mean, if they really manage me, where are they? And then what? They're gonna pretend to post something that they were here. That's all. Like what they do all the time. And you know, since I terminated the contract with them, and it was like 2 months ago. Was it 2 months ago? 3 months ago? That long already. I've been doing stuff on my own, and they're not even running after me.
They released the letter kasi parang hanggang
That's a long
January
time
pa.
ago.
Ang-
And hindi kasi yun yung attitude ko na maglalabas yun. Oh, ayan eh, oh. Iti-terminate ko na eh. And I'm not stupid enough to move around kung alam kong under pa rin ako sa kanila.